Hello everyone and welcome to Underwater. In today's video, you are going to learn how to create a YouTube logo utilizing KineMaster. But before I teach you how to create your own logo, it is a good idea to understand the strategy behind it and the reason why big companies pay huge amounts of money to have professionals make their logos. Some companies choose to use their name as their logo because it is self-explanatory. Once you see their name, you know exactly what you are getting. Although Coca-Cola does not contain coca leaves anymore, once you see that name, you know exactly that you are getting a cola drink. And the same thing happens with this one. Once you see this logo, you know you are getting this.
Right now, we are awaiting FDA approval on 2 COVID vaccines.
And some companies use acronyms to make it easy for you to remember who they are. The National Broadcasting company used the acronym NBC, and the cable news network used the acronym CNN. With that in mind, let's jump into KineMaster. So as always, I'm gonna try to make this tutorial as easy as possible. So I'm gonna split it in 3 parts. The first part is gonna be to create the composition. The second part is gonna be to create the elements that go in the logo. And the third part is gonna be the background of the logo. To delete the background from the pictures that I'm gonna use in this video, I use an application that is called Photo Room. I'm gonna link it in the description box below so you can use it as well. So open KineMaster, tap on Create New, select 16:9 and tap Next. Tap on Image Assets and choose any color. I'm gonna choose the color gray because it works better with me. All right, so next you're gonna tap on Layer and then you're gonna tap on Handwriting. The reason why I'm using this tool is because the logo that I'm gonna create today is actually a real logo for a podcast that I create with a group of friends of mine. And this is the part where choosing your logo carefully comes into play. The name of the podcast is The Three of Us. So I'm gonna use something that symbolizes 3 people because I don't wanna use pictures, so I'm gonna use images and symbols. So tap on Handwriting and go to Square. In here, you're gonna select the solid square, this one over here, and then you're gonna create a rectangle. The first color I'm gonna use is gonna be, let me use this one, and let me create a rectangle. So that's one of us. So I'm gonna OK it, and I'm gonna turn it just a little bit this way, move it into position. So then I'm gonna create another one. Again, tap on Layer, and I'm gonna switch the color now to this one. And I'm gonna create another rectangle. Select it, tap on the 3 dots on the left corner, and send it to the back. And I'm gonna do the same one for the third one. So after you're done with the composition of your logo, now you're gonna add the images that you're gonna use on that logo. In my case, it's for a podcast that is called The Three of Us. Like I said, so I'm gonna add a microphone to it and a street sign that has different direction. The reason why I chose that is because it's a podcast with it where there's gonna be 3 people. So there's gonna be 3 different opinions. So I have a sign that has different way to go. Make sense? So for that, we're gonna use the application that is called Photo Room. It's super easy to use. So you tap on Start from Photo. Then you're gonna find the gallery where you have your pictures. Mine it's in download. So you tap on it and Photo Room does the rest. So now I'm gonna move it here. I'm gonna tap on Graphics. I'm gonna move it a little bit away from the watermark. I'm gonna go down to Shadows and I'm gonna enable it. I'm gonna tap on Intensity, then on Radius. And I'm gonna move it closer to the microphone. Then you tap on Download, and you download your image. Then you come back to KineMaster, and then you bring the images that you already cut out on Photo Room. Tap on Layer, go to Media, and find that image. Now you're gonna tap in your image, you're gonna go to the cropping tool with KineMaster. You're gonna get rid of that watermark, and you're gonna make it smaller. Tap on the 3 dots on the left corner, and send it backwards, not to the back, backwards. And the next step on the process is gonna be to add the name to your logo. So in my case, it's The Three of Us. So I'm gonna tap on Layer, I'm gonna tap on Text, and I'm gonna go from there. You're gonna do the same thing, so I'm gonna speed up the process so you don't have to wait for the whole thing. So now that I have my composition, my elements, and the text on the logo, we're gonna go to Capture, then we're gonna tap on Capture and Save, and we're gonna go back to Photo Room. So open KineMaster, tap on Create New, 16 by 9, and tap Next. Tap on Image Assets, tap on any color. I'm gonna keep on using the gray color. Tap on Layer, tap on Media, and bring your logo from Photo Room. Tap on your logo. Use the cropping tool to get rid of the watermark. And you got yourself a brand new logo made with KineMaster. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna add the background to that logo. So what you're going to do, and this is a clever way to do it, you tap on Layer, you go to Stickers, then you go to Cartoon Bomb. If you don't have it, just tap on the Asset Store, and you can find it there, and you download it. It's completely free. So tap in Cartoon Bomb, select it, make it a little bit bigger, and send the bomb behind the logo. So tap on the 3 dots on the upper left corner, tap on Send Back, and find the part on the cartoon bomb that you want to use. So since this is a moving graphic, you have to move it literally from one side to the other until you find the spot that you want the bomb to enter in place. So that's what I'm looking for. Make it a little bit smaller. Tap OK, and now my logo has a background. Tap on Capture, Capture and Save, and go back again to Photo Room. Do the same process of deleting the background, and you're gonna end up with something like this. A logo in your video gives authenticity to your work, just like your signature gives value to a check. Without your signature, a check is just a piece of paper, regardless of the amount that is written on it. So make sure that you choose your logo carefully. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Activate the notification bell, and I will see you next time on the water.